Hey guys, Toys Academy here. Today we have 4 My Little Pony Fashems. I can't wait to open them all up and see who's inside. But first we need to check them out from the Disney Princess Cash Register.
Let's see if the Disney Princess Cash Register is ready.
Wishing Well, now on special. Glitter spill on aisle 8. Will that be credit, debit, or maybe a little magic?
We have Disney Princess Play Money. We have a 20, 10, 5, and $1. Disney Princess coins. And a Disney Princess Play credit card. Now, we're good to go.
Let's check them out.
Sure. Your total is $16.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for shopping.
Let's open the My Little Pony Fashems. I want to open the 4th one.
Okay.
I wonder who's inside. Oh.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's see who's inside. I'm so excited who it is.
Let's see. And it is
Scootaloo.
she's so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, what is nice about these fashions? They're stretchable
Yep.
and they're squishy. We can twist them.
Yep.
And they bounce. Do they bounce?
They're like jumping, but they're not like on their feet. I mean, like legs. Now let's open the 3rd one. I wonder who it is. Let's see. It's Rainbow Dash! Wow. Look at her.
So cute.
Yeah. I see her cutie mark.
Woo.
Ooh, look at her wings. It's like it's clear. It's like not really like the same color.
Uh-huh.
Look at her. Squishy. Now let's open the second one now. Let's see. I hope we get someone that's not the same. Let's see.
And it's
Scootaloo again. We got the same thing. The same. And it's Rainbow Dash sister. Now I'm gonna open the last one. Yay.
yay, you did it. Who's gonna be?
Yeah.
And it's
We got a different one. It's Twilight Sparkle.
Yippee.
Here she is. Look at her wings.
Yes.
I like it. And she's
So
the princess.
beautiful.
Look at her little horn. Cute. Squishy.
Squishy, squish, squish.
Here she is. We had 2 Scootaloos, 1 Rainbow Dash, and 1 Twilight Sparkle. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos.